Hi, hello, and good morning, everyone. Newborn Investor here, and welcome back to another live day trading video. Hopefully, the market gives us some great opportunities today as we're all here to make some money. Also, it takes a lot for me to record these videos while I trade live. So, if you appreciate the effort and the content, all I ask from you is to hit the like and subscribe button. That being said, let's get straight into today's action. Pre-market, both SPY and Triple Q trading above yesterday's closing price. It's not a big gap up, but right now the trend looks like a downtrend. So I'll keep an eye on both SPY and Triple Q to understand where the markets want to head today. As usual, going into market open, I'll be watching Nvidia, Amazon, and Tesla. Tesla looks strong, but both Nvidia and Amazon looks weak. So going into market open, my primary watch would be Tesla. 875 is a strong area that I will be watching. I would like Tesla to break the 875 area and go higher for call setups. Right now, Amazon $3,000 area is a strong level of support. If it breaks, I'll be interested in put positions. Nvidia, no setups as of yet. So that's the plan going into market open. We do have around 30 minutes to market open. So I'll go ahead and pause for now and I'll talk to you guys at market open. Market is open. Watching Tesla and Amazon. Tesla is struggling around the 875 area. It should bounce off this level if the uptrend is true. Focusing on Tesla, 900 strike price. Yep, it's above. Like it to hold. It's not holding. That's not good. Option premium, 13 to 11 in a matter of seconds. Triple Q reversing. That's not a good sign. Yep, now it looks good. I may look to buy pullbacks, but I'll wait for this candle to close. I have 880 and 886 possible levels of resistance. If Tesla opens up, then I'll be interested to the call side, but looks like the markets are heading down. Triple Q falling big. We are on a very crazy market. Clearly upper wick and now lower wicks. No clear direction. I'll wait. Tesla struggling to break open the 875 area. So I'll be watching the 880 area to pull the trigger. I think this time Tesla is going to break this level of support and continue down. But to the put side, I'll be interested in Tesla if it breaks the pre-market low of 860 area. Not considering this wick. It looks like the markets are heading back. Triple Q making a move to the upside. Yep, Tesla looks good. I'll be interested in Tesla now. The call side, my first ad would be around this area. Yeah, ready to pull the trigger around 880. Let's skip this level for now. 1280 adding. Got in at 1267. 5 contracts. My next ad would be around this area or this area. I'd like to have more than one ad. 11:30 I'm placing an order just in case. I think I missed it. Low was 1165. I think I should get an entry. I wish I picked some at 1160. 11:30 I'm placing. I'm in. 1060 I'm adding. Adding 1010. I did not want to miss it. My last ad would be around this area. Around 1 minute for this candle to close. Watching carefully. added at this level, expecting a rebound. Watching carefully, triple Q bouncing. Triple Q making a move, but Tesla not recovering. May have to take a hit. A big hit. Bad. That's going to be really bad. A huge hit, a $27,000 loser, not a great feeling. I was in 115 contracts, a big position. Now I've wiped out my entire gains from the year. Not a great feeling. As a day trader, you have to deal with this. There is no going around losses. I think this is my biggest loss since I've started trading. So I'm not sure why all of a sudden it reversed and dropped this huge. I was expecting 875 level to hold, but it is what it is. Had I holded, this would have been a mess. But I think I could work with a 27k loser. These are perks that comes with day trading. So not in a great mood to continue trading. I don't want to revenge trade and go deeper in the red. I think slowly I could recover from these losses. And it's not a great feeling posting these live trades, these big losers publicly. So if you really appreciate what I do here, show me some support by hitting the like and subscribe button. Overall, the worst day of trading for me, but I'll try to come back tomorrow refreshed. Hopefully we get some good opportunities and I can slowly dig myself out of this hole. That being said, I'll wrap it up for today. As I always say, my goal here is not to hit home runs, but to make consistent basics and live another day to trade. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Until then, stay safe and thanks for watching. Bye.